Okay, this video is going to show us how to take off the rear wheel of a 2001 Honda CB750 Nighthawk. First thing we're going to do is pull the little cotter key out of the brake linkage. Next, we're going to remove the screw from the back of the brake linkage where it connects to the hub. The screw needs to be completely removed. Then you can just slide the arm off and out of the way. Then we just drop down the little torsion bar and remove it from the hub. Next, we'll take our ratchet and we will remove the axle nut. With the nut removed, we'll push the axle through the back wheel. Then we're going to slide the wheel forward and remove the chain from the sprocket. Now we'll pull the brake hub out of the wheel. And we'll remove the sprocket and the cush drive from the rear wheel. Now that we've got the new tire on, we're going to reinstall our cush drive and our sprocket. So now we're going to reinstall the brake hub. We're just going to slide it in. Roll the wheel forward. We're going to put the chain on the sprocket. So with the chain on, we want to lift the rear wheel up. And I've already lightly greased my axle. So we'll start that axle through the wheel. And then don't forget to put your little spacer in that's going to go between the swing arm and the brake hub. We'll put our axle nut on, and then we'll take our little brake arm, and there is a timing mark that's on both pieces, so those two little dots need to line up. The dot actually lines up with the line where the pinch bolt goes. So with everything loose, you want to hook up your brake arm and your torsion bar. And then once everything's back together, then you can begin to tighten it all back down. But again, leave it loose until you get your brake arm on and your torsion bar, or it'll be really hard to get this stuff to line up and go together properly. I did find the bolt that came out of this was a little bit stripped, so I went ahead and I'm going to replace it with a hex head. And I usually keep a bunch of these around for different motorcycles, but you can find this hex head bolt at Lowe's for about $1, and it makes the bike look a little bit more modern than with the 12 millimeter that I had pulled out of there. So with everything in place, we can now tighten down our axle nut. With the axle nut tightened down, our CB750 is now complete, and Nick's got himself a fresh set of Pirellis. So this is the end of my video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it and found it informative. Please watch some of my other videos. Thank you.